In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Great Start Academy won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Great Start Academy and Bible knowledge. Complete this beatitude according to the King James Version. Blessed are the peacemakers,
for they shall be called the children of God. For they shall be called the children of God.
That is correct. Kensington, complete the beatitude according to the King James Version. Blessed are the poor in spirit,
for theirs is the kingdom of heaven.
Correct. International affairs, it's a visual. Great start. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Adrian Saunders. Adrian Saunders.
Incorrect. It's Philip J. Pierre. He is the Prime Minister of St. Lucia. Kensington. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Roosevelt Scarlett. Roosevelt Scarlett.
That is correct. Prime Minister of Dominica. Science. Great start. What causes plant roots to grow downward?
Gravity. Gravity.
Correct. Kensington. What part of a germinating seed develops into the roots of the plant?
The radical.
Correct. Television is a visual. Great start. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Right. Superwoman. Superwoman.
Incorrect. It's Lois Lane. Kensington. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Lex Luthor. Lex Luthor.
That is correct. English language. This is for great start. Spell identity.
I-D-E-N-T-I-T-Y. I-D-E-N-T-I-T-Y.
Correct. Kensington. Spell division.
D-I-V-I-S-I-O-U-N.
Incorrect. It is D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N. Great start. Sports. Visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
She's a shot put right. Selena Williams. Selena Williams.
Incorrect. It's Nayoka Clunis, a Jamaican athlete. Kensington. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Janelle Brownfield.
That is correct. General knowledge, great start. What instrument did Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit invent?
The thermometer. The thermometer.
That is correct. Kensington, who invented the television?
Thomas Edison.
Incorrect, it's John Logie Baird. Over back to you to great start. This is social studies. In what years was the first general election in Jamaica under universal adult suffrage?
1944.
1944 and
That's right. Kensington, who was named Premier of Jamaica after the general elections in 1955?
Norman Manley.
That is correct. We move back over to great start. Music. To which family of instruments does the triangle belong?
Percussion. Percussion.
Correct. Kensington. To which family of instruments does the clarinet belong?
Woodwind. Woodwind.
That's right. Mathematics, great start. What is the area of a triangle with a base of 14 centimeters and a height of 9 centimeters?
63 centimeters squared.
63 centimeters squared.
That is correct.
Oh, good.
Kensington, what is the perimeter of a square whose area is 196 centimeters squared?
52 centimeters. 52 centimeters.
Incorrect, it's 56 centimeters. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Great Start Academy on 7 and Kensington Primary on 7. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Choose friends who share your values and goals. Don't be led astray into a path which is not in keeping with your standards. Stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.